Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travers with Sharma.
I'm telling the truth.
So as you guys have already seen from the thumbnail, it's going to be a haul which is mix of skincare and makeup. I'm so excited for this haul because I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. I haven't received the parcels. Like the last parcel that I wanted to include in this haul was arrived today only. So I'm finally doing this haul and let's start with makeup first. Currently we have a total of 5 parcels with us because सब में बहुत अलग-अलग items हैं and मुझे बहुत ही अच्छे discounted rates पे मिले, so I have ordered from there only. I will let you know. I've got some items from Nykaa Pink Sale, which I felt like there was no sale. There was the prices were exactly the same. So let's start with Nykaa only. So I've got like 4 products from them. Let's just open it. So I wanted to try like a new tint and I've been using Mars BB cream since 2 years. So I've got myself the very famous Maybelline's Fit Me Fresh tint, the shade 05. I thought this was the medium shade, but when I opened it and I had it on my finger, I felt like this was too dark. But guess what? When I applied it on my skin, I felt like it's a lighter shade. The application is so smooth, it glides with your hand. I will try it in the future and let you all know how it actually is, because Mars BB cream is very good, so I want this to be a little good or better than that. And the base is quite light. It actually feels like you're applying a moisturizer, which can also give you like a 50% of the coverage. So then I've got like 2 shades of nail paints. This one is basically from Swiss Beauty, which is in the color Splash segment, and this one is from the inside. So overall both looks amazing, but the inside one has a little glittery. I wanted like a dark shade, like the one which is going on right now, everyone is applying, and I'm also loving. Ordered this, but I'm not liking it because of the glitter in this. Probably going to give my mother because she will apply this one. I really love the color, so I'm definitely going to apply. I currently have applied the lighter version of this color, I think so. I've got like total of 5 products, which also includes shades of lipstick from Faces Canada, and both are little different shades. So as you guys can see here, first I've got the Divine Mauve. So honestly, when it comes to talking about these lipsticks, I was not impressed that much. First we have this particular shade. Likewise, as you can see, this is like a pretty good shade, but when I applied it, let me apply. So let me show you how it looks like. Let me remove my current lipstick. Look at the application. Application is good, but the first stroke that you apply of this lipstick, it feels like a gloss. It is not that, you know, pigmented, I felt like. So with second stroke, I felt it was more pigmented. It happened with both of the lipsticks that I got from Faces Canada. I'm liking it. I don't know. Next shade is Flamboyant Plum 12. This shade I was also hoping too much, but look at the color. It feels like a purple color. Looks like a purple color, but when I applied it, it is quite different on my lips, and I'm not that impressed with this color. I wanted to try some new shades only, and it turns out that they both are quite new for them, because I usually go for nudes or a little bit pink infused with brown, but they are literally very different. Okay, so these are the 2 colors that I got from Faces Canada. Moving on, I've also got lipsticks from Mama Earth. I wanted these lipsticks for a very long time. Even though the shades were limited, I felt like they could go with my nude kind of a thing. So we have 2 shades. One we have is the 06 Petal Pink, and second one we have is the 09 Honey Blush. Let's try the Petal Pink first. Let me remove this one. Let's apply this one. So we are trying the Petal Pink first. So this shade literally looked different than what I've seen during swatches. But when I applied it, I felt like it was too pink. This is the shade right now. As you guys can see, it is too pink for me. I feel like it's very bright pink. It is not a nude one, but I thought I can set the shade by applying a brown one. And now we have got the mauve shade, which we all love. I love the pink and brown combination. Now let's apply the honey blush, which is the next shade, a brown shade basically. When it comes to the lipstick from Mamaearth, I was quite impressed with them than the Faces Canada because the application is smooth. So they are creamy and matte. So as soon as you apply, they will feel little creamy. But after 10-15 seconds, they will literally go matte and it gives very good look. Let me show you the second color because I've tried it and I loved it. Out of all the colors that I've got, this has been my favorite color because it is brown. A perfect nude. Just look at this color. This one is a little darker and I love it. I just love this particular shade. I don't need any other lipstick to make it good because it's already the best one. Let's move on with the body care and skincare. So first I wanted to have like a new body wash. So I came across this particular brand called Love Co. And I thought why not to go in with this Japanese cherry blossom. It is obviously a sweet one. I wanted to try something different from what I'm applying right now, which is the Dove and Nivea's. Both of them are like little very natural and fresh. So to change that aura, I'm going to try this one. I've not tried it till, but I'll let you know how this has been for me. Then I've got this particular mask. So this I've ordered like 3-4 weeks around, I think more than that, but I've not applied it. This is from the Derma Co, which is their Salicylic Acid Clay Face Mask. This has been one of the best salicylic masks I came across because people have been praising a lot. And as I have all my products around salicylic, which is my face wash, my serum, my mask along with my moisturizer, I have to get this because I am currently treating my whiteheads and blackheads, and this is the one mask that I require right now. So I've got this one. That's that. Likewise, I shared in last video that I wanted to have a serum for my hair. A good serum that I came across was this one from Wishcare. I have again heard a lot about this. After applying this, people have not faced hair fall, so I wanted to go in with this. And along with this, I've also got this free mini shampoo, which is the Wishcare's multi-peptide hair fall anti-hair fall shampoo, and I will be applying this one and this. I would really like to give you all reviews about this because the products that I haven't give review about, I will definitely give you all a review in the form of shorts. So stay tuned with my channel, subscribe it right now. I will be telling you all the reviews in a month or something because I think this was it for the haul. All the products I just wanted to try, so I've got them, lipstick and body wash. But overall, whatever I've got, I wanted them for a very long time. So let me know how you guys liked it. I literally enjoy doing haul at times. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you had fun watching this. Love you all. Take care. Bye.